There's Tom. Scott's back there. There's Tom's fine Olympic form coming down towards us. Very nice, Mr. Sharky. I think that's a perfect run for you. How did you feel about that?
I was making pizza.
Making pizza?
Uh-huh.
Eat some French fries?
Pizza French fries.
I think we also have Scott and Serge up there, rocking it.
So I've only got the green light for this here hill, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm feeling like I got my big boy skis on now.
You're like, I can do much more. Hello. Ashley's like, yes. We're going to get those guys coming down. I think they'll be heading down here shortly. We're here at this lovely Greek peak.
There we go.
There we go. There's our boys.
Come on.
Serge is going for a bucket landing.